published author as well with her novel One Big Irie Family and Irie Puzzle Book. She's a storyteller by heart who believes that by faith and hard work, all things are possible. Welcome, Katie and Gentles.
Thank you so much. Konbanwa, konnichiwa, wagwan. Anywhere you are in the world, big up yourself. National Heritage Week to everyone. And it is so funny that I didn't even speak with the other performers, or I didn't even speak with the organizers to tell them that, hey, put me after them, because I'm just going to wrap up what they spoke about, the food and the places and so forth. So this is entitled A Piece of Irie Tory. And for those who don't know Patois, Tory is a Jamaican parlance for story. All right? So some of it is true. It's just an exaggerated true story. All right? Okay, so this is a true story. I tell you no lies. I don't lie on Saturdays. Nobody asks me why. Let me tell you, my sister called me the other day and she asked me when she must buy. She wants to send me some things for my birthday. It's November 5th, by the way. Me sit down and me think long and hard because me just couldn't decide. And then, hey, this is what I replied. Me say me want chicken back, ackee, saltfish and pear, breadfruit, mango, red stripe beer. Me want chocho, yam and sweet potato. Cause me don't like the one where them have up here. Me want fish fry, roast, steam, jerk and bake. Easter bun and Christmas cake. For the last time, I get excited and go buy one that look like free Jamaican bun. It was a big mistake. Me say ever so half, you know. Me see the things them will look like free Jamaican things. And me say, me get excited and try them. But when me take a stock, me disappoint so till. The hungry thing them have is the foreign frills. We make sure tell her, you know, one June plum, egg plum, guava and lime, little zero seed, dog, blood bush, and any bush she can find. Because you see me, let me tell you, me like to see the snow. You know we don't have snow at Jamaica. So me like to see the snow. But not like it cold season, me dear. Chop, since us susumba, tambourine time and ginger beer. Me say me want cassava, bami and green banana. Cause them uncle sell the ripe one them up here. Imagine, oh Jesus. And me say, anytime you see them put out two little green one, every now and again, Mrs. Massa, you want to see much yen to them. God bless you, my sister. Me glad you come up with the idea. You know how long me want them things, yeah? Me say me want jackfruit, tambourine, banana chips, cheese tricks, sweet and sour sap. Me say me happy so till everything mix up. Me want star fruit, guinea, even the one them will drop, send them come. Me want bulla, strong back coconut drops, peanut cake, and don't think me forgot. The good old patty send every flavor from every shop. Oh, and send some Blue Mountain coffee. Me not drink it, me not like it, but them love it up here, so me can give them as omiyagi souvenir. Yes, send some nutmeg, chocolate, plantain, green and ripe. Me no care. All right, my sister. Let me calm down. You see, when you finish with the food, then I want you to go down the road and collect up some sand. About a truckload. As a matter of fact, send the whole beach. No go here to Walland, no man. Let me tell you, the Prime Minister, me no want to say your thief. So we already have nice sun up here. We want you send as much palm tree as you can reach. We want to see if we can make a little island for all with Jamaican them company and relax I read me book. Me we cook. We can run boat. Pop big love. Why? Me know I love freeness. No worry yourself. All are invited, free of cost. But let me nearly figured. You couldn't remind me. Me never remember. Send some colorloo and scotch bonnet pepper. Send beetroot, arrowroot. As a matter of fact, send every vegetable and fruit. Wait, sis, wait, no man. Send some dukunu, rundown and rice and peas, fried chicken with curry and oxtail gravy, and tell she have to make one piece of the oxtail drop in her head. Oh, I'm one red rain, snapper, and all kind of fish. Send some sweet reggae music with the latest dancing. But send the clean one them because they know me is a Christian. As a matter of fact, send some Holy Ghost fire church service. Hallelujah. Consecrated olive oil and prayers from Miss Mavis. All right, I think that is it. I think that is it. The rest will have to wait until me come. Wait. Sorry, sis, wait last, but surely not least. They say we want a peace, a Devonose, Emancipation Park, 7 Mile Beach, May Falls, Reach Falls, Conoco Falls, Duns River Falls, and Appleton Estate, Mystic Mountain, Blue and Drunkra Mountains, White Witch Golf Course, Little Theater, and Boston Bay. All right, me now go make myself reading. Me done for you, me done. I have something to tell the whole of uno. All who, let me go back in a foreign accident. All who wasn't my friend, and who never been like me, make it stay that way. Yes, me show off because my sister sent things. Me no care what I want to say. I don't want a new friend because I'm not sharing the things when we get them. Irie.
Well, Katie, it's a good thing that I know you long time. I don't know about anybody else tonight, but it's a good thing that I know you a long time. So, can I get a patty when it comes?
Yes. I can get one.
I can get one patty. John is saying,
I would also like a patty. I'm putting in for patty.
Yeah, ambassador wants a patty. Can ambassador get a patty?
Of course, that is our ambassador. I will give her 2.
Somebody wants a new friend who live in Jamaica, and they said that you want the whole island. What a Jamaica you want, right?
Yes, and it comes.
All right, thank you so much, Katie and Gentles, for sharing us with us tonight. Passionate storyteller, Jamaican here in Japan. Thank you so much, Katie. All right.